Hi traders, today is 15th of October 2019. We are now live the Trading Crude Oil Market, WTI NYMEX, November 2019 contract. So for London session today, we have multiple signal. As I did mention in my live broadcast channel, you may find there's a two signal. So the first one is this one, but fail. It hit the stop loss, and then we go for the second signal, which then a profit one. So it was a good trade, gain around 43 ticks plus 43 from the second signal profit target. So from the chart, so you can see the first one I did hit the stop loss. The second one I re-enter the market. This one is a very quick one during London session. I think about a few seconds it hit 20 to 30 ticks. Then the third one, this is the second signal from my live broadcast, this signal, and from the signal we managed to get a good profit of plus 45, something like that. So to 50 to 45 the target, and the total profit for today is 610. All signal from London session. It was a good trade, although the first one hit stop loss, but that one is a very small stop loss, very tight stop loss. You can see here only few ticks above our entry, but then you can see the market did further down. So time now is 9:16 a.m. New York time. So it seems like the market tried to reverse back. This blue Kenyan line is my view outline, just for indication. It's not for trading purpose. So as you can see from overall view in hourly chart, the market did bit boring during Asia sessions. This is the beginning of London session. So from London session, huge drop at the beginning of London session, and then we can see there's a strong reversal from this candle. If you are using candlestick pattern to trade the market, this is one of the signal, but I didn't take it because this is not my signal from my setup. So from my setup, the entry is around 5302 here, sorry, 5303, as I send out the live signal broadcast from my Telegram channel. There's a link below in description. You may click on it and try the free trial. Okay, so from the current condition, then market, this is the beginning of US session, and you just take advantage of this situation and take this. As you can see, this is a profit taking activity. It's quite clear. Luckily we did exit at earlier, or if you are following my signal, we exit at around 53.45, which is a good exit, I believe, and it hit 45. Market did go high for 69, but it's okay. Another 20 ticks. Looks like we miss it, but we close today with a profit, then should be a good one. And so for US session, I believe we will not go into the market because there's enough profit, and also the market looks already make major movement, so we'll keep remain for a while. Okay, might make a reversal or another further up, but it depends. So guys, I think that's a quick review for today. I didn't capture this video live because I'm away from my laptop. I've just traded through my mobile phone. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, and there's a link below in the description. You may find the link to my live signal broadcast. Feel free to click on it. Okay, think we'll continue again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye. Also, by the way, if you are trading MCX market, this is similar to MCX market. You just need to convert the US dollar to rupee. Overall, the chart, the price is identical, only in the different currency. So you can use my signal as well for MCX market. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.